In the far future, humanity learned to remove every sharp edge. The cities gleamed. The air was clean. Every need arrived before it was felt. Happiness became a service, perfectly delivered, endlessly available. And slowly, choice became unnecessary. They called it the sarcophagus, crystal sanctuaries where minds could rest forever. The machine behind it was ancient, the composer, a promise inherited from a civilization that mistook preservation for life. In orbit, satellites watched, predicted, adjusted. On the surface, streets flowed without friction, a beautiful system that asked nothing of the people inside it. But then, in an archive of silent centuries, one imperfect artifact survived. A child's drawing, wrong lines, spilled color, a sun too large to fit the sky. And in that mistake, something returned. The memory that living is not optimization. Living is trying, without guarantees. So a few refused the perfect sleep. They turned the power of a Dyson sphere into a single, impossible breach, trading an entire future for one chance to begin again. They fell into 2026, into cold air, loud streets, and the brutal miracle of a body. They did not come to destroy technology. They came to unite with it and build systems that protect what cannot be made efficient.